I'm going to compare Hostinger Horizons and Lovable. Hostinger Horizons and Lovable are two AI-powered no-code platforms designed to help users build web applications without traditional coding. Hostinger Horizons has received positive reviews for making website and app creation super easy, even for people with no coding experience. The real-time preview feature is also a hit, letting users see changes as they go. Users love that you can just describe your idea in plain language and the AI builds it for you in seconds. However, some users mentioned that the customization options can be a bit limited if you're trying to build something more complex. Lovable has gotten a mix of positive and neutral reviews from users. The clean, simple design and natural language approach make it feel beginner-friendly. Some users say it's still in early stages, so not all features are fully polished yet. Hosting is limited during the beta, with some found restrictive. Overall, Hostinger Horizons is better than Lovable for most users because it offers more features, built-in hosting, and an easier setup for beginners.